Hi, hi. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
हाँ जी,
Good.
वॉइस वस्तुंदा.
No one is saying anything, sleeping.
One second. Voice वस्तुंदा भाई. From here to the voice is going.
Coming, good morning, good morning, good morning. Coming, sir. Voice is coming, no problem.
Great. Good morning, everyone. So, how is the preparation of the exam?
First exam.
Prepared something?
What's away?
Where is punctuality is not in the spelling of punctuality. H ledu. In
Spelling
punctuality,
is wrong.
H is not. H is not there. Chaliye bhai. So, all good. Everyone settled. 1 week classes are over.
More than 1 week.
More than 1 week.
Yeah.
Classes are over. Any problem? Samasya, pida coming?
Loading.
Any problem, samasya, pida coming? Twarga, you can reply. Then we can start and tell quickly a small session.
Test is also there. Boto on the test. What's meaning of that?
Tika.
This is for your good luck.
Yeah. Today first exam is there, na?
So some worship is required.
Akhilesh sir is doing puja from morning 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
He
So that
went
all of you will get 800 marks.
bare feet. He went from his house to Chinna Tirupati and came back. Just so that you can write your first exam properly.
Yeah.
While coming back, we realized that you don't know how to write the exam.
I brought prasadam in this, but now everyone eat what I can do. No problem. Next time. Don't worry.
So we thought that you must be knowing. Some of you might be knowing how to write the exam in the app, right? So let's come to the point. How many of your new students give a yes once? Why yes? Yes.
First time writing the test in NT.
First time writing the test on Gosalites app. Once give a yes. I did not ask for no. I am asking just yes.
Okay.
Chalo, so many are there. So many are there. Oh my God, the family is expanding, bhai. Great.
Coming.
Fine. So one PDF is there. How many of you have not got that PDF by this time? How many of you have not got the PDF by this time? Hanji. So how many of you got the PDF by this time? Who did not get? ठीक है. So dot. How can I send to dot? I don't have any person name dot. The name also you have to tell now, bhai. Or you can do one thing, one number we will give, text on that number, send WhatsApp, hi or hello, my name is this.
PDF will come.
On that number, and we will send the PDF for you. This PDF we will send for you. Okay, bhai? Those who have not got, we'll give you one number. On that number, you can send the message and we'll send you this PDF. In case you want to revise this also, short notes you want to make, so you can do that from here. Chaliye, so let's come to the point. Let's quickly wrap it up, and if any doubts are there, you can clarify. So, bhaiya, how to write the exam in the SRIGOSALITES app? This will help you next week onwards as well, because so slowly, within 2-3 days, we'll be conducting the classes also in the app itself. Because this YouTube and Zoom, that cannot go for long. We cannot filter out the people, and those people who have taken the admission will be able to get the access to this app of that specific batch. This app can be used by everyone. The open exams which are conducted on the app can be written by everyone. So this batch we have created, one batch we have created, that is Gosalites 2023. Gosalites 2023 batch. That batch we have created, that is open batch. Open batch means whether you have taken the admission or not taken the admission, any open exam we want to give for just the general public, for almost everyone in the states and outside the states also, 2 states also. Those people can attend that exam and those open classes from that specific batch. or some general meeting is there where the general awareness has to be given, because obviously the awareness about the NEET examination is little low, especially at this age, because you are not knowing about this. It's very new exam for you, first competitive exam for you, for most of you. So that general awareness has to be given. Next upcoming meetings are there regarding the counseling, regarding the registration processes, regarding when the next NEET exam is going to be there, how to approach the exam, and all those things. General idea has to be given for the students which have taken admission and not taken admission. Those meetings will be conducted in this specific batch. The batch name is Gosalites 2023. I will just show you once. So here, the online exam of SRIGOSALITES you can attend on 3 major platforms. Number 1, you can attend on the desktop or laptop in case you don't want to attend the exam on the mobile. Second, you can attend on the Android mobile. Then there are some people who cannot attend in laptop or Android and all. They can only attend in iPhone, iPad.
Rich people.
है ना? हाँ, chala rich people.
Rich kids.
Rich kids. So for that, iOS is also available. All 3 possibilities are there, right? Mostly people use Android because mobile is the easiest thing to use, especially Android mobiles are the easiest to use. But some people, they prefer to write and attend the classes on the laptop and desktop also because the screen is bigger. So all 3 possibilities are there. So one by one, I'm going to explain all 3 of them. And this PDF will be sent to you. I'll give you one number. In case you have not got this PDF, you are not in the group, you can personally message on that number. We will forward the PDF to you. Right. So starting now. So bhaiya, in case you want to attend this on desktop or laptop, make sure that Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, these 2 are the browsers which support this app properly. Each app, each website has been tested over some specific browsers. If you are randomly using Safari browser, you have iOS and you are using Safari browser, so that will not be giving you the exact website. Some of the subscript JavaScripts will not be working upon that. Some of the scripts will not work. Some of the coding has been designed in such a way that has been tested in such a way it works for Google Chrome only and Mozilla Firefox only. So these 2 browsers only you should be using. Next, the website you have to put here. You can write down also here. You can write down also some 3-4 things are there that you would need. One is the ORG code, one is the batch code, and one is the website. Only 3 things are there that you need to write down. So please make sure write down. It is web.classplusapp.com/login. So you have to go to this website, web.classplusapp.com/login. In the login page, you will see this kind of a page in the login page, right? In the login page at the ORG code, our ORG code, SRIGOSALITES ORG code is REQKC. REQKC. This is the second most important thing. Number 1, website, web.classplus that you have just now seen. Next, ORG code, write down. ORG code, whenever you will open the app, dekho yaar, you are running Instagram, Snapchat, all these apps you run. You are a generation where we don't have to teach you how to run the app. Just that you should know what data you have to fill, and that data is REQKC, that is the ORG code. This ORG code you will fill your mobile number, obviously. You might be knowing your mobile number that I will not be able to send on WhatsApp. That you have to verify yourself. Put your mobile number. So REQKC is the ORG code. Enter your mobile number, OTP will come. That OTP you have to enter here. You are expert, you know beyond this very well. Once the OTP will come, like this number I have put, this is my number, you might be having this number also. On this number also you can message me in case you want the PDF. Message please, don't call. I cannot receive so many calls together, right? So if you call me, each person will take 5 minutes for a small thing of 10-20 seconds, which can be done by message. Plus on messaging, I can be connected with more number of people with less amount of time. So I'm not a calling person. I'm mostly in the class. So prefer to have WhatsApp only, right? So you can send your message to me on WhatsApp. I'll be replying on the WhatsApp on the same day itself. Before the exam, if you message, if you are expecting you will message by 1:45 and you will get the reply by 2 o'clock, might or might not be possible. So in case after the meeting, if you have not got the PDF, immediately message. Don't message at 1:55 and then later on say, sir, because of you, I was not able to write the exam because you replied 5 minutes late. I'm not waiting for your message only, na, ki this is the only thing I have to do on this day. So you have to give me some time, like a normal human being, because I'll be getting multiple messages. So it might take some time for me to reply. It's especially just before the examination. But if you send your message by 12:30 or 1, or right now also if you send, sir, I have not received, immediately after the meeting, I will sit for 10-20 minutes and send all the PDF to all those messages. Clear, bhai? So just don't wait 5 minutes before the examination and wake up just before that and expect us to immediately respond to you. That will not be very practical. So then you have to enter the OTP that you have got. That's it. You will be able to log in. Any problem, samasya, pida? Clear? Website, ORGQ code REQKC. You might have written it somewhere. REQKC is the ORG code. All in small. All in small. Bhai sab, small letter yaar, please. Here, don't do any careless mistake. REQKC. Then, how to log in the Android app? In Android, the app name, go to the Play Store, obviously. From there only you download the app. Type SRIGOSALITES. Hopefully you know the spelling. In case you don't know, please note down this spelling also. Right? Some people are calling us Gosha Lights, LIGHTS. Some people put SHRI Shri. Some people put Shrivalli. Some people put GHO. So this spelling is very specific here. Clear, bhai? हाँ बिल्कुल यार. तो SRI Shri Gosalites. Shri Gosalites, you will install, open the app, enter the mobile number. Not my mobile number, obviously your mobile number that you might be knowing. Now, enter the OTP that will come. Once the OTP comes, this is one-time password, so no one can cheat it, don't worry. To verify the OTP, then they will ask you to put the name. In case you have already taken the admission, you can put your enrollment ID dash name. Clear, bhai? Not dot. Not star. Not Liger. Not Pushpa. If your actual name is Pushpa, then you can put Pushpa, obviously. Right? So, here, or Pushparaj, in case your actual name is Pushparaj. In that case, you can write. Otherwise, write this thing, because that way it will be easy for us to de-block you, because sometimes the app, because of suspicious activity, sometimes people take a screenshot or they try to copy the content. The app will automatically block such people. There is some inbuilt feature in that. Those who are using the app, they might be knowing. Then we have to unblock. So if your ID number is there, we can verify if you are a student or not a student. Getting? So it will be easy for us to de-block you, and you can continue using the app. That is why we should be knowing who is using the app. That's the whole point of the app. Randomly, you cannot come in the app and do anything, right? So that's why you put your name and ID number in case you have taken the admission. In case not taken the admission, you can just simply put here new dash your name. New dash your name. Clear, bhai sir? Later on, the name editing cannot be done. So it's better that you put your name correctly at once only. Clear, bhai? Because later on you will keep on saying, sir, I am blocked in the app. Then I'll ask you by which name you are. You will say dot. Now 5 people are there who are blocked. Let's say dot is blocked, dot is blocked, dot is blocked. I will not be sitting there and counting the number of dot whom I have to unblock. Na? So please, for your convenience, I'm saying, because for us, no problem. The app will see unusual name. It will block it. He's not human being, na yaar. So please don't try to become over smart with the app, because the app is not as smart as you are. So app might be blocking you. That is none of my concern in that case. Bhai, I'm not controlling the app. I can unblock you later. But then I might be in the class. You might miss that class also. And after the class, I will unblock. One day lecture will get missed. Just because you wanted to put a name to sound cool. People become cool by getting ranks, by becoming successful in whatever they do, not by putting some funny name, right? Even though my own email ID, when I was your age, was very funny, but you have to be more mature than me. I used to call myself Saurabh the Great. That was my email ID also. I still use that email ID. But no problem. You are smarter than me, so please put your actual name. Going ahead, how to send the request. Now, this is the most important thing. Now, this is what for today exam you have to do. So you have downloaded the app by this time. You went to Play Store, you searched for SRIGOSALITES, you have put your phone number, OTP came, you verified, put your name. Up to there, no problem will come. Once you will open the app, automatically these things will come. You don't have to mug it up. It will come naturally. Now, at the bottom in the app, you will have some tab like home, like batches, store, chat, and profile. Sir, chat also there. Huh. Sir, can we chat, sir? Yes. But I will be checking all the chats. Clear? In fact, we all will be checking all the chats. So anywhere you go here and there, you'll be blocked permanently. So chat at your own risk. Huh? Something decent you want to send or you want to ask from help from your batchmates, you can do it here. But otherwise, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp is there. That is your personal business here. There, how can we interfere? So this batches tab, you have to click on this batches. So when you click on the batches tab, you will get one place to enter the batch code. Like this, it will come. Enter the batch code. Now here, what you have to enter, write it down. Very, very important. Put 5 stars on the top. Very, very important. Going to come in NEET 2023 also. See very carefully. You have to put in small Gosalites 2023. Now check the spelling carefully. GOSALITES 2023. Space le do, dot le do, hyphen le do. All small case, no capital. This is what the batch code is. So 2 codes you have to keep in mind. One is ORG code you might have written. PDF also you will get in case you are not making the notes. And this one. Only these things you have to remember here. And once you put the batch code, click on OK. The request will come to us. It will immediately not add. Remember that. The request will come to us. Then Prasad ji is here. Prasad ji will be handling the background work in this. And he will be. Prasad ji, आइए एक बार शक्ल दिखा दीजिए. अरे come on, Prasad ji, come on. So we have Prasad ji. Prasad ji is the. हाँ, hello, Prasad ji, एक बार हाय बोलिए.
Hi.
So you might
I will
have
do.
heard the name of Prasad ji a lot. So he is Prasad ji, and he take care of. So he will be the number that you will be getting all the problems solved by his number only most of the times. Those who are in the system, they might be knowing Prasad ji very well, at least by name. So Prasad ji will be accepting the request. Just like you accept the follow request and Facebook request, na? In the same way, Prasad ji will accept SRIGOSALITE app request. So when you click on this OK, the request will come to us. The batch code is Goshalite 2023. One more time you can see. Once it comes to us, you will get this message success. Success does not mean the batch will be immediately added. The batch will not be immediately added. It will come to Prasad sir. Prasad sir will click on accept from his system. Then your batch will get added. So you need to wait for 10-15 minutes max. He'll be accepting within that time. Please do that immediately after the meeting. Don't wait for the exam to start and just before that you do that. Now only you can do if you want to. Because that's it. That's the whole process. That's it. It's very simple process. Very user-friendly app. Instagram handling is tougher than this year. I'm seeing really. I don't know still how to make reels on Instagram, but I can write the exam on SRIGOSALITE app very easily. Understood, bhai sahab? It's very, very, very user-friendly app. Now, after 10-15 minutes, you will open the app again, refresh the app. Your batch will come. The batch name will come like this: LT2022-23 batch. LT 2022-23 batch. So already number of students will also come over there. You will be added in that batch. And once you are added in that batch, any class will happen. Any exam will be there in this batch. Any material will be uploaded in this batch. You will get a notification. And that notification will come above Instagram, Facebook, everything. This app will ride over other apps. This app is a study app. It will automatically ride over the other apps. So the notification will come in the notification bar ki study material has been added. Exam time is this. Messages will start coming to you. You will actively get involved in this batch without any problem. Understood, bhai sahab? Beta, you cannot edit your name. Already I said. Once you have put the name, you cannot edit it. Chaliye bhai. Now, for iOS users, the name of the app in the Apple Store is My Institute. My Institute is the name. ORG code is same, REQKC. After putting the ORG code, same to same phone number you will put. After putting phone number, OTP you will put, whatever the OTP came in your mobile. Once the OTP came in the mobile, verification you have done. After that, you'll be logged on inside the app. Then go to the batches. In the batches, which batch code you will put? Once type and send. Which batch code you will put? What's the batch code? I'm taking the Viva. Seriously, our teacher will remain teacher only. I'm feeling like I'm teaching you this thing. I'm making you remember this thing, how to do. Gosalites 2023. Correct, bhaiya? 100% correct answer. Very good, yaar. Very good. Very attentively attending the class. Very good.
Wow. Come on.
Chaliye. So that is how you will log in the app.
It's not there.
Are yaar, Sufala, Gosalites 2023 space le do. These are the problems for which I get the calls. Ki sir, login not happening. Are yaar, Gosalites 2023 space le do, dot le do, hyphen le do, nothing. Just simple Gosalites 2023. Don't do any innovation. So that is how you can write the examination. This exam is open for everyone. Right? So don't worry about whether you have taken the admission or not. This is the introduction examination. It is open for everyone. So you can attempt the exam. You can see the feeling of how the papers in the NEET examination come, how much you have prepared, how much you are writing the examination well, and how can you handle the time constraint and all. Starting year is there. First exam you should never miss. Never miss your first exam. It's good. Shagun exam is there. Shagun, you understand na? Beginning exam is there. So take the blessings of your parents. Go to the temple also. In your house temple is there, great. Otherwise go to the nearest temple or whichever the god or deity you follow. Remember their name. Have curd before the examination and write the exam properly with full attention. So any doubts are there in login in, you can let me know. Otherwise right now you can start sending the request for the examination. You'll be added in the batch. Exam time is 2:30 p.m. 2:30 p.m. I will just write the important things again. If they ask you ORG code, it is REQKC. If they ask you batch code, that is going to be Gosalites 2023. No space, no hyphen, nothing. Clear, bhai? The phone number 88750-87467. This is my number. आपका भी दे दूं? 9587151524. This is AKD sir number. So any problem, samasya, pida is there. And most importantly, Prasad ji number to you should have, yaar. Our Lord Hanuman is Prasad ji only. Any sankat comes in your life, sankat mochak will be Prasad ji. But he'll be available on WhatsApp only, right? So please make sure that you don't call, because the calling number is with Rahim ji. He is principal. And the WhatsApp number is with Prasad ji. So the problem which are technical problems will be sorted by Prasad ji only. If you have any complaints also, you can send to Prasad ji only as well. You can send to us also, no doubt. But Prasad ji will be immediately doing the work. We will also give it to Prasad ji only. So you can also directly talk. So Prasad ji. Or Prasad sir for you. For us, Prasad ji. For you, Prasad sir. Clear, bhai? This is management. And he is PA to Narinder sir. ठीक है भाई? So any problem, samasya, pida is there, you can let me know. So that's all. So you were the best, you are the best, you will be the best, all the best.
Rock in exam today. All the best. Come on.
Write the exam well and let us know how much marks you are getting.
All the best.
Okay, bhai.
Farewell. Bye-bye. Tata.
Again, WhatsApp, no calling. Because calling also you can do if something is there you cannot discuss on WhatsApp, but prefer WhatsApp only. It's a little more practical to reply on WhatsApp. Okay, bhai? Because exam is coming at 2:30 exactly. We don't have enough time to talk to all the students on phone right now. Right? In future, if some problem comes, you want to talk personally, you can send me a WhatsApp. Sir, I want to talk. What time can I call you? Or to AKD sir or to Prasad ji also. Right? You can call Prasad ji directly as well. But to us, you can send the WhatsApp because we might be in the class and you might feel bad if you don't pick up the call. So it's better you send the WhatsApp, take the time. Either we will call you back or you can call at that time. All cool. This is for throughout the year I'm talking about. Any problem is coming. Chaliye. Okay then.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Write the exam well. All the best.